getting unlimited friend requests on Facebook is not a really tough thing. By following simple steps, you'll be able to get unlimited Facebook friend requests like me. First of all, tap on your profile and see that your profile picture is very eye-catchy or not. If not, put a very eye-catchy profile picture and then update all the informations of your Facebook profiles, like your school studies and where are you from. And after that, go to profile sections and tap on the friends and send some friend request here like this. After that, tap on a profile, press on three dots and turn on professional mode. Turn down, press on next, and make public suggested. Next, press on confirm. Press on next, skip, go to dashboard, and it's now finished. And now your task is only come on your friends options and you will just refresh it and you will just confirm it. That's all. Your work is only you will just refresh this page and just confirm all the friend requests that you got.